Cleaning soot, ash, and smoke damage from your home after a wildfire. Coming home after there was a wildfire in your area can be challenging. Your street and home may not look or feel the same, even if your home wasn't burned. But some things are in your control. Once your home is safe to return to, you can protect your family's health by safely cleaning your home after a wildfire. Soot, ash, and smoke can leave behind a mess inside your home, even if the fire was miles away. They also contain toxic chemicals that can harm your health. So if you're cleaning your home after a fire, it's important to clean thoroughly while taking special precautions. We'll guide you through how to do that, step by step. Before you begin cleaning, protect yourself. Wear gloves, long sleeves, and pants, closed-toed shoes, goggles, and an N95 respirator to protect your lungs from fine particles. Next, take a look around the inside of your home to see what needs to be cleaned. This could include floors, walls, furniture, rugs and carpets, counters, shelves, electronics, jewelry, toys, even photos. If it's smoky or dusty outside, keep your windows and doors closed to prevent particles from getting in. When the air quality improves, open your windows to help ventilate. Don't turn on your HVAC system until the ash and soot are cleaned up inside it. Otherwise, it could blow particles onto surfaces you've already cleaned. Afterward, change the filters in your HVAC system often to trap any remaining ash. When cleaning soot and ash, we recommend following these steps. On rugs and carpets, use a vacuum with a HEPA filter. Don't use a vacuum without a HEPA filter because that could blow ash into the air. On bare floors, sweep gently with a broom to minimize particles kicking up. If you use a vacuum, ensure that it has a HEPA filter. Place the ash, dust, and soot into a double-bagged trash bag. Tie it to prevent scattering. Note that household hazardous waste, like electronics, paint, and solar panels, should not be thrown away in these bags. Contact your local household hazardous waste program for drop-off locations and more info. Then, mop floors and clean walls, window sills, countertops, and non-porous furniture using mild soap and water. Don't mix cleaning products together. Some combinations, like ammonia mixed with bleach, can create toxic fumes. Is there ash or soot somewhere in your home you can't safely reach? Consider having a professional handle it for you. If ash touches your skin, wash it off with soap and water right away. Bathe or shower after cleaning to remove contamination on your skin or hair. Turn off and unplug electronics and appliances. For example, TVs, computers, gaming consoles, microwaves, and toasters. Wipe down the outside with a soft cloth. Avoid using cleaning products that can damage them, and try not to let moisture inside. When in doubt, skip DIY fixes. Have them inspected or replaced for safety in case of internal damage. Wildfire smoke and fumes can contaminate food, dishes, and cookware. If you can smell smoke in your kitchen, discard exposed foods and clean your cookware and dishes. Soak clothes and bedding overnight with detergent, then wash normally. If you can, use bleach. If the smell lingers, consider taking it to a professional cleaner like a dry cleaner. Also, if you rent your home, you have rights when it comes to ensuring your home is fit to live in. Your landlord must make sure your home meets health and safety standards, including clearing debris and ash, and fixing noticeable smoke damage in and around your home. Most importantly, go at your own pace. This might be a long, emotional process, so take care of yourself. Eat, stay hydrated, take breaks, rest, and find comfort where you can. Ask for help when you need it. By following these steps, you and your family will be on the way to resettling into your home again. For more wildfire resources, visit wildfires.cdph.ca.gov.